Here we go with this dryer, how to fix it. So this nut, I don't have the right size to put on here, but the idea that I had was to use this impact gun with the right size socket, put it on there, and spin it. Because why this is not working is because this was underwater. The basement was underwater. So that got all gummed up. So I turned it with a pair of pliers of the last time and freed it up. But look, I don't have the right size socket, but I'm almost guaranteeing if I would have got on there and spun that and get the corrosion out of there, it would work again. Because I think the magnets might be corroded. But I turn the power on. I'm going to hit the switch, and I'm going to see what happens. Oh yeah, I took the belt off, by the way. Okay, if I flip this upside down, it'll still record, right? Yeah. Cool. All right, I'm going to hit the start button. Okay. Probably didn't even see any of that, huh? So, it's corroded, it's gummed up, so I'm gonna have to either get a new one or get the right size socket to put on it to spin it, take it apart, clean it, put it back on. I don't know. But I'm at a standstill with the dryer right now. Just go buy a new one. I ain't rich enough. I'm out of here.